To install the under cabinet range hood, begin by removing the range hood from the box and all the packaging. Locate the power cord's green wires and connect those wires with the green wires on the range hood by twisting them together and cap it with a twist-on wire connector. Do the same thing to the other wires, white wire to white wire and black wire to black wire. Next, locate the hole on top of the range hood closest to the back where a screw will be in place and use a tape measure to measure the distance from the back end of the range hood to the hole. Take measurements of the vent opening as well. Then, use the tape measure underneath the cabinet where the range hood will sit and mark the spots with the same measurements you took from the holes on the range hood. Next, measure the distance of the hole from the edge of the range hood and mark those measurements underneath the cabinet. Install the screws where the markings have been made on the cabinet. Tape down the power cord to the range hood to keep it in place. Then, lift the range hood onto the screws and slide it to fit firmly in place. Remove the tape holding the power cord in place and plug it into an outlet. Lastly, install the filters and your range hood is set up to use all its functions. AKDY. Let your kitchen do more. To install the under cabinet range hood, begin by removing the range hood from the box and all the packaging.